Hello, welcome back to the group, and today this is another building adventure. Yeah, I still have a lot more builds till I get up there. Yeah. Alright, so today I'm gonna be building, you know what, let's go with the first one today. A zoo! Alright, then so let's not waste any more time. Let's get into this. 12 minutes, begin! I don't know if you're gonna see like the 12-minute timer on screen, but I will be figuring out how to do that very soon. So, a zoo. We of course need fences at a zoo. There we go, fences. Let's get... Oh, I can make a creeper exhibit. And then let's get like some of the normal animals in. Alright, so they kind of need the floor like this, like grass anyways. So let's do pigs in here. This will be more like a farm than a zoo, because Minecraft doesn't have any farm animals. Minecraft doesn't have any farm animals. Minecraft. So let's get rid of those. If you don't know how to make any mob cages, I'm gonna be showing you how to do that, because let's get some chickens in here. Oh, I gotta be careful in case I have to spawn more animals in. So this one's just gonna be a longer cage for the mushrooms. And you're not gonna change the grass, the soil, because they usually have the other soil if I can find it. I don't think I can find it. 12 minutes is kind of long, but we only have 9 more minutes. And let's go over here. Oh, actually, we're gonna be putting a cage around this as well. I know the squids can't get out of the water, but so yeah, this is... Stop dancing here. Alright, so almost spawn creepers in here. Wait a minute, don't I keep it on peaceful mode? Oh, I don't. Okay. I'm gonna change it right now. Oh, you can't do that in this? Alright, so how you do this is you need first, let's get the cage around the squids in, because they are very dangerous squids. Alright, so what we need is no water, no more squid eggs. We need a piece of glass, which is right here. We also need a cauldron. and a lever, a piston, and also a random block. So if I place a cauldron down and build around it for a second. We'll just build around this. I'm testing to make sure this works. Spawn a creeper in there. Place glass. Okay, maybe I don't know how to do this. So if I place the glass down first, then I place any mob inside. There we go. Now the creeper's safe inside. But I'm gonna make a creeper cage. Let's do a creeper cage right there because alright, so all we have to do is go up to here and then go to there. Spawn in the creeper. There's another block down. Destroy all of this now. Oh no. I destroyed the cauldron too. So that's gonna have to go there again. 2 more there, a block there. Place that block back. Now, the last thing I need to do is get a slab. Let's get a stone slab and place that on top. You can't place a slab on top of glass like that. But if I get another block in place, wait a minute, can I not? Oh, because the creeper is technically there. So if I do this and grab another piston, there we go. So now I got a creeper cage. I might do a tutorial on how to do that. But yeah, I have 2 more minutes. I can build an entrance. Let's see if we can get a path down to cobblestone. Let's start with a path around the creepers. I want to at least get a path around all the different animals. Alright, so I think the entrance is going to be here. So let's go boom, 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 boom. And then all of a sudden this starts merging off this way. And then right here, this can go the other way. Just build the path. I can't look and see how much longer I have. I know it's not long. Whew, I just finished that. And we have 41 seconds. Let's build a little place to get your tickets. It'll just be the world's smallest booth ever. In the back we can put a door, put a floor down. The booth isn't that nice, but I don't have time to do anything else. And let's get it done. Oh, that's time. Alright, so all I was gonna do was put a sign up here that says zoo. And I think we did a very good job today. When I forgot they can open doors. Well, I kind of build over time anyways. So this is my zoo. I think it's completed. Like, everything's here. I could have built a fountain in the middle, which would have been cool. But yeah, this is my zoo. So yeah, I think this is good. So you can put another block down here. And hopefully this aligns. So a hole up in the ceiling. Yes, it does. And after it gets up here, we're gonna pull that lever, which you gotta start a clock to launch a fireworks show. There's no commands, otherwise they would have put a command underneath to summon stuff. And yeah. So yeah, I just gotta check because I have to have fireworks for my fireworks show. So yeah, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Bye!